What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to start removing the old fuel tank on the Galant VR4 over here. I've gotten all the parts, now it's just a matter of just start removing it. And today we're going to, like I said, we're going to start removing the fuel tank and get this process done to get this bad boy up and running in the next, hopefully in the next few months. So here we go. fuel tank is out, and I'm pretty surprised how pretty clean it is under here. I thought I had to do more, but as far as cleaning up after I got the old tank out, but looks like I don't have to do much. So what I'm going to do is just clean up just the area pretty good. I'm going to replace some of these hoses here with a fresh new rubber. I'm going to see if I can get this new fuel line, get that replaced. What else? Here, everything up here looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty clean. This Galant VR4, obviously the reason I got it was there's very minimal rust, and it still shows there's very minimal rust. So what I'm going to do is clean the threads, you know, just get it prepped up, and then prep the new fuel tank and put everything back in. So here's the old tank. Man, it's in worse shape than I thought it was. A lot of surface rust buildup right here. This is where it kind of was tucked up underneath. So this is the top of the fuel tank. That's where the fuel sender and fuel pump would go into. So there's an accumulation of dust and dirt over the years, but this surface rust has built up, and then obviously the issue inside the tank. But I'm gonna keep this tank, and I'm gonna see if I can get it restored and just have a spare fuel tank to have, since I'm planning to keep the Galant VR4 for a while. Might restore it, keep it. If I don't really need it, sell it down the road to someone else that's trying to restore one of these Galant VR4s. But that's the replacement tank that my best friend got me. Obviously, huge difference as far as condition. The inside is mint. I believe I showed the inside of this tank in a previous video. But all I'm going to do here is just clean this up. There's a little bit of surface rust, sand it all down, respray it with some fresh paint, and install it back in the Galant, and we should be good to go. So there you go. We removed the old tank, and we're pretty much ready to get the new one in. But before that, I'm just going to clean the area. I was a little bit surprised how clean it was when we removed the old tank and that underneath that fuel tank area. So all I'm going to do is clean up that area a little bit more. That will be in the next video. That video will cover us prepping the new tank, prepping the new fuel pump, getting it on the hanger, doing the rewire, some of the cleaning I'm going to do in the area, and go from there. I'm also going to try to replace some new parts. Like I said, I covered some of the hoses and maybe that one fuel line. But other than that, I'm pretty excited. We are making some progress, and get this Galant up and running so I can start driving it hopefully in the next few months when the weather's cool. It's turbo weather, cool air, I miss that feeling. So yeah, man, there you go. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification button, and as we make more progress to the Galant. Till then, I'll see you. Be safe.